Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a refreshing cucumber gin sour, and also show you how to make a beautiful garnish like a pro. So let's start with the garnish cutting. Take a fresh cucumber and cut a few thin strips. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Perfect. Now fold the cucumber strip into a zigzag manner, and carefully insert a cocktail pick through it. Do the same thing with another cucumber strip. Awesome. The garnish is now ready. So let's go and jump into the mixology. Take a mixing glass and start pouring all the ingredients. So pour 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of London dry gin. After the gin, pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of lime mix. After the lime mix, pour the same amount of simple syrup. Next, pour the same amount of cucumber juice. And lastly, add 2 spoons of egg white. Now use a hand mixer to generate froth in the mixture. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Perfect. Now take an old-fashioned glass, and add 8 to 10 ice cubes. Perfect. Now I will add an orange slice, and then pour the mixture straight into the glass. Awesome. The cucumber gin sour is now ready, so let's decorate it with the garnish that we prepared earlier. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.